For this first big milestone in our young life. Once again, in behalf of the kindergarten class 2025-2026, I welcome you to our moving up exercise. Let's celebrate this day with us. Thank you very much.
Akong nakupagtahod sa atong school head, Sir Humphrey B. Consat, teaching and non-teaching staff of Hibaguan and Esperanza Elementary School, Barangay Council headed by Honorable Hector A. Formentera. Awaited special event not only for our dear students but also to our proud and supportive parents. My respects to our district supervisor, Mr. Raul T. Duarte, to our ever dynamic school head, Mr. Humphrey D. Consat, to my school teachers from Esperanza Elementary Schools, and Mrs. Eleanor V. Hilo, barangay officials, PTA officers, to the proud and loving parents, students, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Welcome to our promotional and recognition program. To formally start, may I request everyone to stand for the doxology to be followed by nationalistic song, region hymn, Southern Lady Hymn, and Cumis by the sound system.
Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Isip usa ka president sa atong eskwelahan dinhi sa Hibaguan Primary School. Una, dako na kong pasalamat sa mga teachers nga way kakaluyang pagtudlo aron makakaton ang mga bata sa pagsuwat, pag-ihap ug pagbasa. Bisan pa man sa kasiaw sa among mga anak. Taas gihapon sila og pasensya. Ikaduha namo mga ginikanan nga way undang pagsuporta sa mga panginahanglanon sa mga bata ug sa eskwelahan. Karong buntag mao ang promotional o recognition program o dinhi ato makita ang kahago o kadaugan sa ilang pagpaningkamot pag-eskwela. Mga bata, congratulations o dili na nakatason ang akong mensahe. Maayong buntag o welcome, welcome, welcome o daghang salamat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Press, for the empowering words you shared. At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, the promotional march. 3. At this point, let us hear a tula entitled Art.
Peterson Cardoza. Best in math. Can't you have all token? Sunshine Award. Besa Sofia Faith Tagubi. Tugadi daw. Sorry. Eagle Beaver Award. Lord John J. A. Martinez. Brave Song Award. Congratulations, kids.
Salamat mga bata sa inyong maayong kibot-kimbot. Here is an acrostic poem by Selected Learning.
Pagtatapos. P. Puro ng saya ang natapos na gawain. A. Ating pinahirapan kaya kahanga. G. Gantimpala ng tiyaga at pagsisikap. T. Tagumpay na tunay, pinapangarap. Araw ng saya, bunga ng sipag. P. Tuwang matid sa puso at isip. Ala-alay mananatili magpakailanman. P. Pagkat ito'y bunga ng ating laban. Oras na pahinga at pagdiriwang. Simula ang panibawang mo.
Jai, very good, dito ka, Jai.
Let us hear a group singing by grade 1 and grade 2.